Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day thus far. My name is Ramon, and I wanted to hop on here and share with you my experience going through Abouzalam's 6-week Accountability Ascension Program. Now, before starting this course, I was really struggling with maximizing my day, getting the most out of each and every single day, being supremely productive. But 6 weeks later, now that I've finished this course, I can't tell you how confident, clear, and organized I am when it comes to approaching my day. Now, not only is he going to give you the strategies, the tools, but he also helps you improve and optimize other areas of your life, which I feel has been so important throughout this entire course, because I feel balanced. I feel fulfilled now because I'm not ignoring other areas of my life. So if you guys are on the fence about this, if you guys are struggling making a decision, I don't know whether or not I should do this, I highly, highly recommend that you bet on yourself, invest in yourself, and give this program a try, because it's going to give you tools and skill sets you're going to be able to utilize, not only in business, but in other areas of your life. So I hope this helped, and continue crushing it. Have a wonderful day.